Within the subatomic void, two tiny sparks of light are born from the exact same primordial flame, locked in a furious dance. Suddenly, a violent tremor rips them apart, hurling these twin sparks at impossible speeds to opposite ends of the galaxy. For centuries, science assumed that once objects were separated by such a distance, they were forever isolated, discrete, localized, and alone. We still navigate our lives based on this assumption. We see ourselves as fragments adrift in a cold, mechanistic universe, cut off from everything beyond our immediate reach. But the physical distance between those distant sparks might be a secondary detail. The separation we feel every day may be nothing more than a cosmic illusion. If we look closer at distant sparks, we see non-locality. When one particle is struck, its twin responds instantly. This defies the speed of light, suggesting they remain an undivided whole regardless of the gap. This was so counterintuitive that Albert Einstein famously rejected it. He could not accept a universe where objects lacked independent properties, calling the concept spooky action at a distance. The debate remained philosophical until 1982, when physicist Alain Aspect performed a landmark experiment. By measuring photons in flight, he proved that this instantaneous, non-local connection is a literal fact of our reality. While space appears empty, these particles remain tethered by a hidden thread of silver light, a secret root connection that physical distance cannot cut. If information can bridge the galaxy instantly, it suggests that space and time are not absolute barriers. Instead, they function as a garment, a user interface allowing us to perceive separate objects while concealing the integrated network beneath. These quantum revelations provide a technical vocabulary for an architecture described 2,000 years ago in the ancient mystical text of the Zohar. The Kabbalists called this Achdut, or unity. They taught that the universe is a single flame, where every spark remains secretly connected to its root. To our senses, we look like separate people, like isolated islands rising from the sea. But underneath the water, the islands are all part of the same continuous earth. In the eyes of the universe, you and I have never actually been apart. Because we are part of this entangled organism, we are not irrelevant spectators, we are active participants in a living system. In physics, the act of observation causes a potential state to collapse into a physical reality. Similarly, our intentions and ethical choices act as the hands that pull on the underlying quantum threads. This creates a radical responsibility. Because every life shares the same vascular system, an impact you have on one person ripples through the entire physical and spiritual architecture of existence. In the lab, entanglement is fragile. It is lost through decoherence when a particle interacts too much with the outside environment. This mirrors the spiritual danger of the ego, the focus on the separate self that shatters our awareness of the whole. Ethical actions are the literal binding energy of this system. They restore the coherence of the network, maintaining the harmony of the cosmic organism. As we zoom out from the atom, we see a web of light that connects every heart in the universe. The code of the universe is oneness, and science is finally beginning to read it. If you want to keep decoding the cosmic secrets of the Zohar with us, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's uncover the next secret together.